Ever wondered how to mule deer hunt? Well, sit back and relax as we delve into the process of mule deer hunting, a pastime that combines skill, patience, and an appreciation for the great outdoors. First off, it's all about preparation. Knowing the behavior and habitat of the mule deer is crucial. These creatures are known for their keen sense of hearing and smell, which they use to evade predators. They are most active during dawn and dusk, so plan your hunting trip accordingly. Next, scouting is an essential element. Prior to the hunting season, take some time to explore the areas where mule deer are known to roam. Look for signs of deer activity such as tracks, droppings, and rubs on trees. A good understanding of the terrain not only helps in locating the deer, but also in planning your approach. Choosing the right equipment is the third step. A reliable rifle or bow is a must, along with good quality binoculars for spotting the deer from a distance. Camouflage clothing and scent blockers can also give you an edge, making it easier to get close without alerting the deer. Now, onto the hunt itself. Patience is key here. Find a good spot, stay quiet, and wait for the deer to come into your range. Remember, the goal is to take a clean, ethical shot that will quickly and humanely dispatch the deer. Once the deer is down, the work is far from over. Field dressing the deer is an important step to ensure the meat remains in good condition. It involves removing the internal organs of the deer, a task that requires both knowledge and precision. Finally, transporting the deer back to your vehicle or camp is the last step. This can be physically demanding, so it's important to be prepared and know your limits. In summary, mule deer hunting involves preparation, scouting, choosing the right equipment, patience during the hunt, field dressing, and finally transportation. It's a challenging but rewarding activity that requires a mix of physical endurance, mental patience, and a deep respect for nature and wildlife. So the next time you find yourself in the wilderness, with a mule deer in your sights, remember these steps, and you'll be well on your way to a successful hunt. After all, hunting is not just about the catch, but also about the experience and the lessons learned along the way.